A very good morning, class 9. So in our last class we have done till question number 12. Okay, so today we will start from question number 13. So here are two questions in question number 13. I will solve one question and in the same way you will solve the other question. So here one diagram is given. Okay, it is triangle ABC and triangle ABD. Both are right angle triangle because this is 90 degree here. So we have two right angled triangle. So by using this two right angled triangle, we have to find the value of AB and BC. Okay. So here only half part is given 30 meter. Okay. We need to find AB and BC. Theta are given. Okay. So this part BC, let's take X and solve the question. So here we'll take X, okay, then we will use triangle ABC first, okay, triangle ABC tan 60 degree, tan 60 degree is root 3 and tan means turns permanently black, which is root 3, perpendicular is AB and base is BC is root 3. So AB divided by BC we have taken X, so you have to write here X is equal to root 3. So AB is root 3 into X. This is your first equation. Okay, this AB we got root 3X. Now we will use triangle ABD. Okay, this is perpendicular and base will be BD and BD will be 30 plus X. So here theta is 45 degree, tan 45 is 1, turns permanently black. So perpendicular is AB, base is BD, you write that, after that you put the value, okay, AB value, we got the value of AB. AB is root 3x. So you put the values, now do cross multiplication. So after doing cross multiplication, okay, you keep x one side, root 3x minus x is equal to 30. So x is common, so we will write root 3 minus 1 here is equal to 30. Now this number you have to write here on the right hand side. Now we cannot keep root in the denominator. So we have to rationalize it. You have to change the sign and multiply numerator and denominator. So that you will get 30 root 3 plus 1 by a minus b, a plus b. It is a square minus b square. So root 3 square is 3 and 1 square is 1. So cancel, 2 1s are 2, 2 15s are 30. Okay, so 15. So here, okay, since the value of root 3 is given 1.732, so you have to put the value. Otherwise, you can keep here also if value is not given. But your value is given, so we have to put the value 1.732 plus 1. So on addition, it will be 2.732. So multiply these two numbers, you'll get 40.98. So this is X. X means BC. No, BC is, we got 40.98 meter. Now AB is root 3x. The value of root 3 is 1.732 and X is, we got 40.98. So after multiplying these two numbers, you'll get 70.97 meter. Now next is question number 15, okay, 14, sorry. Your diagram is given. A 1.5 meter tall man can see the top of a vertical building 16.5 meter high by focusing his binoculars at an angle of 60 degree with the horizontal. So here, okay, this is the height of a man, okay, and his eye will be here, okay, this is the height of a man, 1.5 meter. So here, okay, when he observed the top of the building, okay, when you observe the top of the building angle here, it is 60 degree. So you have to find the distance between the man and that building. Okay, this part is 90 degree, this is 90 degree. Okay, so this total is 16.5 and this is 1.5, this is 1.5, this is also 1.5. Now we need to find ED or DE. Okay, so to find DE, you have to subtract this 1.5 from this 16.5 to get the value of ED. So here is the diagram. Okay, ED means 16.5 minus 1.5, it is 15 meter. Now this is right angled triangle. Okay, so in this right angled triangle, perpendicular is 15 meter and this theta is 60 degree. Now we have to find the base, the distance between the man and the building. So here is the calculation. ED means EC minus DC. Okay, 16.5 minus 15.5, it's 15.0 means 15 meter. Now we will use triangle EDA. In triangle EDA, tan 60 degree is root 3, turns permanently black is root 3. So perpendicular is ED and base is AD. is root 3. So ED is 15 and AD is equal to root 3. Now do cross multiplication. Then in next step you will get AD is equal to 15 by root 3. Again root is there in the denominator. So we cannot keep root in the denominator. So we have to do rationalization. Okay, rationalize numerator and denominator. Multiply both numerator and denominator by root 3. Okay, so this is 15 root 3 by root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 3 5s are 15. This is 5 root 3. So the distance of the man from the building is 5 root 3 meter. Now question number 15 is, when a rocket is fired vertically upward from its launching pad P. So from here the point P, okay, a rocket is launched. Okay, first the rocket rises 20 km vertically up. So first the rocket rises vertically up, then in this direction, okay, so up, and then travel 80 km at 30 degree to the vertical. So for that we have to make angle here. Okay, you have to make your line, okay, because we need angle inside the triangle, not outside the triangle. So first the rocket will rise 20 km up, then it will make an angle of 30 degree with this vertical line. Okay, then PO represent the first stage. This is the first stage when the rocket rises vertically up, and OQ represent the second stage. Okay, second stage. If R is the point vertically above Q, okay, on the same horizontal level as P, calculate the height of the rocket when it is at the point Q. So you have to find this height. Okay, when the rocket reached the point Q, what is the height of that rocket from the ground, and the horizontal distance of point R from the point P. So you have to find this distance also. So okay, this diagram is incomplete, okay, as we know that trigonometry dealt with only right angle triangle. So for that here we will make one line. Okay, then here the one right angle triangle will form, then we will solve the question. So you have to draw line here. Okay, then this side is 30 degree. We have to find angle inside. Okay, you know this is 90 degree. This angle is 90. So outside it is 30 degree. So inside the triangle the angle will be 60 degree. Okay, now this is a right angled triangle. Okay, this is 20 kilometer. Now this is hypotenuse is given 80 kilometer. Okay, now by using hypotenuse we can find perpendicular by using sine theta. Some people have, okay, after finding perpendicular we can again find base. Okay, so one by one we will find the perpendicular and base. So we have to consider triangle QSO. Okay, so QSO, so let's find base first. Curly brown hair. So cos 60 degree, cos 60 is half, curly brown hair, base is OS and perpendicular is hypotenuse is OQ. Now put the value. Okay, OQ is given 80. Do cross multiplication, then 80 divided by 2 is 40. OS is 40 kilometer. We got this is 40 kilometer. Now we have to find the perpendicular. So here you can use sine theta also, some people have, or you can use tan theta also. Turns permanently black because we have base and hypotenuse. So it's up to you which trigonometrical identities you want to use. So here I have used tan 60. Okay, tan 60 is root 3, turns permanently black, is equal to root 3. So perpendicular is QS and the base is OS. So QS by OS is equal to root 3. So QS by 40 is equal to root 3. Then QS is 40 root 3 kilometer. So this one we got 40 root 3 kilometer, but our question is we have to find the height of the rocket from the ground. So this is 20, this is also 20. So the height of the rocket from the ground is 40 root 3 plus 20. So you can take 20 common. After that you can write 2 root 3 plus 1 kilometer. This is the height of the rocket from the ground. Now you have to find the horizontal distance of the point R from the point P. Means you have to find this distance also. We got 40. Okay, this is 40 kilometer because this OS and PR are equal. So if this is 40 kilometer, then this is also 40 kilometer. Next question number 16 and 17 you will solve yourself. Okay, 16 is same like question number 1. Okay, so question number 16 is of question number 1 type question, and question number 17 is like question number 2. Okay, so with the help of question number 1 and 2 you can solve 16 and 17. Now question number 18 is, a ladder is placed against a wall such that it just reaches the top of the wall. The foot of the ladder is 1.5 meter away from the wall and the ladder is inclined at an angle of 60 degree with the ground. Find the height of the wall. So in this question you have to draw diagram yourself. So this is wall, okay, this is ladder. No, we place ladder like this, okay, this is the foot of the ladder and this is the top of the ladder, okay, and this AB is the wall, okay. Now you have to find the height of the wall and the foot of the ladder is 1.5 meter away from the wall, okay. The distance between the foot of the ladder and this wall is 1.5 meter. Now we have to find the height of this wall. Now AB is height of the wall, this is question mark, and AC is the length of the ladder, and BC is distance between wall and the foot of the ladder, which is 1.5 meter. Now we have to use that tan theta, turns permanently black. So tan 60 degree is root 3, turns permanently black. Perpendicular is AB and base is BC. So AB, its value is AB is unknown, BC is 1.5. So put here 1.5, do cross multiplication. AB is 1.5 root 3. So height of the wall is 1.5 root 3 meter. Now the last question of this chapter is question number 19. A tree of 12 meter high is broken by the wind. This is tree, okay, height of the tree is 12 meter and it is broken by the tree. It's not totally separated, okay, the broken part is not totally separated, the broken part is here, okay. So so that its top touches the ground and make an angle of 60 degree. Actually this was the broken part, no, so this is the height of the tree, actual height of the tree. So a tree is broken at the point C, so this broken part is here, okay. That broken part, the top of the broken part just touch the ground at an angle of 60 degree. So you have to find the height from the bottom the tree is broken by the wind. So at what height this tree is broken, means you have to find the value of BC here, okay. So we don't know the value of BC, so let's take X, okay, and these two are equal because this broken part is here. So this is X. If this is X, then this part will be 12 minus X, no, this is 12 and this is X. So this is 12 minus X, that means this is also 12 minus X. 12 minus X. So here we have to use sin theta. Some people have, okay, because we don't have to find base also and it's not given also, so we cannot use tan, we have to use sine, okay. Sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2. Some people have, okay, root 3 by 2. Perpendicular is BC and hypotenuse is AC. So BC is X and AC is 12 minus X is equal to root 3 by 2. Do cross multiplication. Then after doing cross multiplication, keep X one side, okay, then take X common here, so that 2 plus root 3 you will get is equal to 12 root 3. Take this number on the right hand side, it will be in the denominator. Now we cannot keep root in the denominator, so we have to rationalize it, change this sign, minus minus, then multiply. Then 12 2s are 24, root 3 minus 12 root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 12 into 3, this is a plus b, a minus b, which is a square minus b square. So 24 root 3 minus 12 3s are 36 by 2 square is 4, 4 minus 3. So 4 minus 3 is 1. So the value of root 3 is 1.732 minus 36. So on multiplication you will get 41.568 minus 36. So subtract this, you will get 5.568. So the tree is broken at a height of 5.568 meter. This is your last question. Now this is your board exam 2019 question, okay. So in the given figure ABC, okay, is a right angle triangle with angle B is 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree and AD is 17 centimeter, AB is 15 centimeter and CD is 12 centimeter. You have to find BD and AC, okay, BD and AC. So here we have two right angle triangle ABD and ABC. So here perpendicular is given, so we can easily find the base by using the triangle ABD. So we'll use triangle ABD, okay, and again your theta is not given. Okay, that means we cannot use sine, cos and tan. We have to use your Pythagoras theorem because theta is not given. So this is hypotenuse, this is perpendicular. We can find base. Hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus big square. Hypotenuse is AD, perpendicular is AB and base is BD. So AD is 17 square, AB is 15. 17 square is 289 and 15 square is 225. So write this 225 on the left hand side. So on subtracting the numbers you will get 64. Okay. Now BD is square root of 64 which is 8 centimeter. This BD is 8 centimeter. Now this is 12, this is 8. That means the base for this triangle ABC is 20 centimeter. So this is base, this is perpendicular. Now we can find hypotenuse. So in triangle ABC, using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is perpendicular square plus base square. Okay. So hypotenuse is AC, perpendicular is AB and base is BC. Just put the value of AB and BC. So on simplifying you'll get 625. Now the square root of 625 is 25 centimeter. This is your last question. Okay. I will send you some questions, extra question to solve.